How to watch YouTube TV Zen. YouTube TV Zen provides calming visuals and soothing sounds designed for relaxation. Follow these steps to access the Zen channel on YouTube TV. Step number 1, open the YouTube TV. Launch the YouTube TV app on your device, smart TV, mobile phone, streaming device, or web browser. Step number 2, use the search bar. Navigate to the search option in the top menu. Type Zen or YouTube TV Zen in the search bar. Select the Zen channel from the search results. Step number 3, browse the live guide. Open the live TV guide by selecting live from the top menu. Scroll through the list of available channels until you find Zen. Select the channel to start streaming. Step number 4, add Zen to your favorites. Highlight the Zen channel while browsing the live guide. Click the plus add button to save it to your favorites for easy access. Step number 5, watch anytime. Play the Zen channel to enjoy peaceful visuals and ambient sounds. Relax with continuous streaming day or night.